All right, 3D printing kind of related. So this is finishing the 3D print. So I got my Ultron here. I've put on 2 coats of wood filler. So this is the stuff that I use. I just picked it up at Home Depot. It says it takes 2 to 6 hours to cure. I found that it didn't take quite that long. I did 1 coat overnight. I sanded it this morning, and then I did another coat, and I came back out probably 2-3 hours later, and it was perfectly fine to sand. So what I used to sand this guy is I got some of these sanding sponges, right? Same thing, got them from Home Depot. I've seen people use sandpaper, but I wanted to use the sanding sponges. They're easier to hold on to. I got an 80 grit and I think it's a 150 or 180. If I need to get a 220 or something a little more fine when it's done, then that's what I'll do. I also got the the viral Fantech little Dremel tool thing. That's for cleaning out like the little crevices and cracks and making sure that that all comes out good. I'm getting ready to fill this with the primer filler, and I'll see how it comes out after that. See how many coats that I'm going to do for that. Now I did get some rubber gloves. I like the thicker mill ones. They hold up, they don't pull through. I've used them in the shop working on cars for years. I love these things. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a coat of primer on here and see how it fills in, see what kind of sanding I gotta do, see how much more filler I gotta put in. But I wanted to show you a couple of the tools that I'm using to do so. Again, this is my first big 3D print. This is my first mask. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm hopeful, so we'll see how it goes.